Hi, my dear student. Today we will discuss chapter 3 trigonometry. Exercise 3.5, question number 9. You wanted to show that cot 7.5 degree, which is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. But we don't have any particular identity for 7.5 degree. At least by using compound angles formula, we can able to find out 15 degree, which can be written as 45 minus 30. Here got 7.5 degree. At least if I am going to write this one in terms of 15 degree, I can write that 15 degree as 45 minus 30. See what will happen. Cot theta, which is cos theta by sin theta. Theta is 7.5 degree. So I need here 2 theta. It will be 2 into 7.5, 15 degree. So I will do, what is sin 2a formula? 2 sin a cos a. So I will multiply this 2 cos theta in the numerator and denominator. 2 cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. Okay, it is sin 2 theta. For sin 2 theta, I need 2 sin theta cos theta. I have only sin theta. So I will multiply 2 cos theta in the numerator and denominator. So 2 cos theta into cos theta, 2 cos square theta. 2 cos theta into sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, which is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here sin 2 theta. So I am getting my cot theta in terms of 2 theta with respect to sin and cos. This is sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a. And what is cos 2a formula? 2 cos square a minus 1. So minus 1 comes here plus 1. So 1 plus cos 2 theta. Therefore, cot 7.5 degree. So here theta 7.5 degree, here 2 theta, 2 into 7.5, 15 degree. So I can write this cot 7.5 degree by using this relation 1 plus cos 15 degree. This is sin 2 into 7.5 degree, that is sin 15 degree. Okay, so finally I am getting cot 7.5 degree as 1 plus cos 15 degree divided by sin 15 degree. Why I am writing the 7.5 degree in terms of 15 degree? Because for 15 degree I can use compound angle formula 45 minus 30. Now you want to calculate cos 15 degree and sin 15 degree. For 15 degree easily I can write it as 45 minus 30. What is cos 15 degree? Which is cos 45 minus 30. Cos 15 degree can be written as cos 45 minus 30. I can use compound angle formula for cos of a minus b, which is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. When you substitute all your standard trigonometric values, finally I am getting root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, sin 15 degree I want to calculate. I can write this as sin 45 minus 30. What is sin 45 minus 30? That is sin a minus b formula. 45 minus 30 is 15 degree. I can write 15 degree as 45 minus 30. This is in the form of sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Substitute all your standard trigonometric values. Finally, we are getting root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Got it? Substitute here 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Here root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. When you take LCM, it will be 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Here also 2 root 2 get cancelled, root 3 minus 1. Very simple, 1 plus cos 15 degree, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by sin 15 degree, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. When you take LCM in the numerator, 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This 2 root 2 and this 2 root 2 get cancelled. So I have in the denominator root 3 minus 1. So for root 3 minus 1, multiply and divide the conjugate. 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. I will multiply and divide the conjugate of root 3 minus 1, that is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Just multiply 2 root 2 into root 3, root 6. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into 1, root 3. 1 into these 3 terms is same. 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square here? Root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So I will write here cot 7.5 degree equal to 2 root 6 root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3, 2 root 2, 3 plus 1, 4 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3, 1 square 1, 3 minus 1, 2. I can rewrite cot 7.5 degree equal to very first root 2, 2 cancel root 2, 2 cancel root 3. Next 4 by 2 gives 2, 2 I can write root 4, 2 cancel root 6. Hence proved. Very simple. I wanted to prove cot 7.5 degree equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. See, 7.5 degree, I don't have any particular identity to proceed the problem. So when you multiply by 2, it will be 15 degree. For 15 degree, I can write 45 minus 30. By using compound angle formula, I can find the value of trigonometric function. I have cot 7.5 degree. So cot theta, which can be written as cos by sine. I need at least theta as 2 theta. Why I need in terms of 2 theta? 2 theta means 2 into 7.5 degree, it will become 15 degree. So I can find the trigonometric value. So sine theta, what is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. So I need 2 cos theta additionally with this. So I multiply 2 cos theta and divide 2 cos theta. So 2 cos theta into sine theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 cos theta into cos theta, 2 cos square theta. I can write this 2 sine theta cos theta as sine 2 theta by using multiple of sine 2a formula. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So now if this is theta 7.5 degree, 2 theta will be 15 degree. So I can write cot 7.5 degree as 1 plus cos 2 into 7.5 degree, 15 degree divided by sine 2 into 7.5 degree, 15 degree. What is the value of cos 15 degree? By using compound angle formula, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, sine 15 degree, which is sine 45 minus 30, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Substitute, take LCM, denominator get cancelled. Because of root 3 minus 1 in the denominator, I multiply and divide the conjugate. I started my simplification. Finally, I am getting 2 root 6 by 2, 2 cancel root 6. 2 root 3 by 2, 2 cancel root 3. 2 root 2 by 2, 2 cancel root 2. 4 by 2, that is 2. I need square root of 4. So the 2 can be written as square root of 4. Hence proved. Got it? Is it clear?